Are you tired of clutter and chaos of multiple monitors, keyboards and mice? What if I told you that you could streamline your entire setup with just one device? Stay tuned as we unveil the magic of AI-Pi KVM from AI Thinker. Hello everyone, my name is Hariharnath. Welcome to IoT Frontier, where I share with you the latest and greatest in IoT technology. Today, we are going to look at a game-changer device for tech professionals, the AI-Pi KVM switch. This nifty device is not just any switch, it's a 3-in and 1-out HDMI plus USB switch that simplifies your workspace like never before. This switch is useful for those who has one monitor but 3 different hosts. For developers, this means more desk space, less clutter and boost in productivity. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get complete understanding of this device. Before we start, please provide your support by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button. Imagine controlling 3 different hosts with a single monitor, keyboard and mouse. That's right, the AI-Pi KVM allows you to switch seamlessly between 3 computers without the need to swap out cables or devices. Let's take a closer look at how it works. A KVM is abbreviation of keyboard, video and mouse, which is a hardware device that allows a user to control multiple computers from one or more set of keyboards, video monitors and mouse. The AI-Pi KVM is designed for efficiency with buttons that lets you switch hosts with just a single click. And the best part, it doesn't even need additional power port. It's powered by 5 volts from USB and HDMI. Before we look into various features of AI-Pi KVM module, let's look into the demo. First, you need to prepare a AI-Pi KVM board, a monitor, 3 computer hosts, USB mouse. There are 3 sets of inputs: HDMI 1 plus USB 1, HDMI 2 plus USB 2, HDMI 3 plus USB 3. These correspond to each host. So you need to prepare 4 HDMI cables, in which one HDMI is connected to monitor, and 3 USB Type-C cables. Connect 3 hosts to 3 HDMI cables and USB Type-C cables to AI-Pi KVM. Also connect the USB mouse. Turn on 3 computer hosts. Monitor can now be switched by pressing a key on AI-Pi KVM. By pressing a button, a corresponding host is controlled on monitor, and at the same time USB mouse will also be switched to corresponding host. First, we press the button S3 to switch to monitor A. We can now see the result on monitor. Then we can press S4 button to switch to monitor B. We can see the feedback on host B and monitor. Now we press S5 button, we have switched to monitor C. So now you can see how simple the usage of AI-Pi KVM is, and which is very useful for decluttering your desk. Now let's look into the various interfaces of AI-Pi KVM. On the top you can see USB 1, 2, 3 and the corresponding HDMI 1, 2, 3 on the right side. And these 3 can be controlled with 3 buttons that we have here, S3, S4, S5. And we also have HDMI output interface to this screen, that is the monitor. Let's look into the AI-Pi KVM control principle. The 3 touch buttons on the board correspond to 3 hosts. So if we have S3 on the top, you can see the table. S3 is corresponding to HDMI 1 and USB 1, S4 to HDMI 2, USB 2, S5 to HDMI 3 to USB 3. Now let's look into the AI-Pi KVM features. So here you can see the HDMI control chip uses AG7111 chip, so which supports 2K 60Hz video transmission and supports 3 inputs and 1 output. The control of the channel is powered by AI M6132S output DAC level. So the DAC level on the left side table you can look into, that is 230 millivolts means channel 1, 933 millivolts refers to channel 2, that is HDMI 2, and 18,000 millivolts means to the channel 3. AI PyKVM can store the currently set channel, so when AI PyKVM restarts, it can automatically set the last channel before power failure. At present, the source code only realizes switching the host by pressing the button. But since the AI PyKVM has AI Pi M6132S, which supports Wi-Fi and BLE, so one can develop more remote switching modes. And for the open source community, AI Thinker has made the firmware and hardware engineering open source. This means you can customize and enhance your AI PyKVM experience. So are you ready to declutter your desk with AI PyKVM? Check out the links in the description for more information, tutorials, and how you can get your hands on this incredible device. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think about AI PyKVM. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.